Revision history. Google Docs has a revision history pane that allows you to view at a glance all changes made to a doc by each collaborator. To access revision history in Google Documents, drawings, and spreadsheets, follow these tips. Select the file, see revision history, then click the timestamp in the right column to see what changes were made at a given time, or use the arrow keys to scan through many revisions quickly. If you'd like to revert to the version you are currently viewing, click the Restore this version. Note, restoring your document to a previous version does not eliminate any versions of your document. Rather, this version moves to the top of your revision history, maintaining all previous versions of your document, including the current version. If you'd like to return to the current version of your document to continue editing, click the X in the upper right of the document history pane. For all Google Doc types, revisions are grouped into short time periods to make it easier to see the full history of changes. If you want to see more fine-grained revisions, click the Show More Detailed Revisions button in the lower right of your document. Google Spreadsheets sometimes trims down your revisions over time to save storage. If you're working in a Google spreadsheet and your document is either too large or you created it a long time ago, your revisions may be pruned. Spell check. You can use Google Documents Spell Checker, enabled by default, to find misspelled words and see suggested spellings. Incorrect words are automatically underlined in red. Simply right-click an underlined word to see a suggested spelling, and select the correct spelling from the list. You can turn off the spell checker by deselecting Show Spelling Suggestions from the View drop-down menu. Printing your docs. If you want a hard copy of your document, you can print it from a PDF or download it as an HTML file. Here's how you can print directly from a PDF. From within the document you'd like to print, select File, then Print. A PDF appears along with a print dialog box ready for printing. If you'd like to add page numbers to your document before printing it, select Print Settings from the File menu and choose where you'd like the page number to appear. Once you've changed the settings, click Print at the bottom of the window. A PDF with the print dialog box appears. To download the document as an HTML file, follow these steps. From within your document, select File, Download as HTML. Find the downloaded file on your computer, unzip it, and then select File and click Open. Print Preview. You can preview a document before printing it by selecting Print Preview from the File menu. On the right margin, you'll see a smaller image of the document pages. You can navigate through the pages by clicking on them or using the arrows at the top right of the document. Inserting an image. You can also insert an image into your document. You'll be able to add any of these image file types: GIFs, JPEGs, and PNGs. The images must be less than 2 megabits in size. You can drag your images from your computer or the web. Simply drag images from your desktop or website to your Google document. Then click the image you'd like to add and drag it to your document. It might take a moment for the image to appear in your document, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Conclusion. As you can see after viewing this tutorial, the document selection of Google Docs furnishes an extremely potent tool distance students can utilize when collaborating on group projects online. The comprehensive and illuminating tutorial that this is, keep in mind the Documents section is just one of many tools Google Docs offers. We encourage you to explore the other sections of Google Docs and discover its many other extraordinary tools. In closing, we want to thank you for viewing this tutorial and ask you never forget, utilizing Google Docs can take an online group project from ordinary to extraordinary.